Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to use align feature in Instagram Reels. So first of all, I'm tapping on this plus icon and tapping on reel, and I'm gonna capturing a reel here. And here we can see the align option. To enable align, tap on it. And here you can see now I can easily adjust the alignment, and I can capture my second clip the same way. I'm gonna tapping on this align icon again and adjusting my position, and I can capture my third video. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.